Hello, art lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of wood carving. If you've ever wanted to turn a simple block of wood into a stunning masterpiece, you're in the right place. We'll explore a variety of inspiring wood carving model designs that will spark your creativity and help you create beautiful art. So, grab your tools and let's get started. 1. Nature-inspired sculptures. Let's kick things off with nature-inspired sculptures. These can range from delicate flowers to majestic animals. Carving these pieces allows you to capture the beauty of the natural world and bring it into your home. Imagine creating a lifelike owl or a graceful tree, each piece tells its own story. 2. Abstract forms. Next, we explore abstract forms. This is where your imagination can really run wild. Think outside the box and create unique shapes and designs that challenge traditional carving techniques. Abstract art can be a powerful way to express your emotions and ideas. 3. Functional art. Now, let's talk about functional art. Creating pieces that are both beautiful and useful is incredibly rewarding. Consider crafting wooden bowls, coasters, or even furniture. Not only do these items enhance your space, but they also showcase your craftsmanship. 4. Themed figures. How about themed figures? Carve characters from your favorite stories, whether they're mythical creatures, beloved pets, or whimsical fantasy beings. These figures can add a playful touch to your decor and make great gifts. 5. Personalized keepsakes. Finally, let's discuss personalized keepsakes. Carving items with initials, dates, or meaningful symbols can turn a simple piece of wood into a cherished gift. These custom creations are perfect for celebrating special occasions or capturing memories. Nature-inspired sculptures, inspiring ideas. Woodland creatures. Carve animals like owls, foxes, or deer. Focus on realistic details like fur texture and facial expressions. Tree of life. Create a sculpture of a tree with intricate branches and leaves, symbolizing growth and connection to nature. Floral designs. Craft flowers such as roses or lilies, emphasizing petal shapes and textures. Consider creating a bouquet arrangement. Leaves and foliage. Design individual leaves, like maple or oak, capturing their unique shapes and veining for a natural look. Abstract nature forms. Combine elements like waves, mountains, and clouds into a single abstract piece that represents the essence of nature. Insects and butterflies. Carve detailed insects like dragonflies or butterflies, showcasing their delicate wings and body structures. Fish and aquatic life. Create sculptures of fish, turtles, or sea turtles, highlighting their movement and the flow of water. Rock formations. Represent natural rock formations or landscapes, focusing on texture and layering to mimic the Earth's surface. Garden statues. Design whimsical garden sculptures such as fairies, gnomes, or mythical creatures to enhance outdoor spaces. Nature-themed wall art. Create wall-mounted sculptures featuring intricate designs of trees, mountains, or wildlife silhouettes. These ideas offer a beautiful way to connect with nature through your art, allowing you to express the beauty and diversity of the natural world. Happy carving! Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey through wood carving. We hope these ideas motivate you to pick up your tools and start creating. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more artistic inspiration, and share your own wood carving projects in the comments below. We can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, happy carving!
you.